Hello and a warm welcome to A Look at Home. I love gardening so much. I love the colors, I love the shapes, I love the movements, and I love the sounds of nature. I feel so good when I'm in the garden. Today I'm just going to be showing you some of the evergreen plants that I have in my garden. Evergreen plants are so important as they give you color and structure throughout all the seasons. And I'm just going to do a walk around in my garden and show you what I have. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe to A Look at Home for more home and gardening videos. I feel so at peace when I'm in the garden. When I look at the flowers blooming, I listen to the sounds, I look at the shapes of leaves, I look at the shapes of flowers, I look at the movement. I just feel so good. And I believe that if people would learn to just go out and enjoy nature, even if you don't have a garden, just go out and take a closer look at nature. You'll be so amazed at the marvelous things that surround us. If you have a little piece of land, start gardening, and guys, you will feel so good. You feel so relaxed, so much peace. And I believe this is why when God made man, he was put in the Garden of Eden. God did not even build a house for Adam. When God created man, he put man in the garden. I've often wondered why. And I believe it's that place of wonder, a place of peace, a place of discovery, a place of doing something, and then a place of sitting down and just enjoying the nature and the sounds and all that the eyes have to see and all that the ears have to hear. I love gardening so much, guys. Join me on my journey. I've been doing my gardening, my garden. I've been changing everything. So, guys, join me on my journey because I really want to make this a little piece of paradise for me. And of course, I'm very happy to be sharing my journey with you. Enjoy with me, guys.